This is the Good Cook Steel Nonstick Bakeware, and it's a 3-piece cookie sheet set. Let's open it up and take a peek. I like that it's stackable because that's going to save a lot of room in the cabinets. I'm super excited to use these for many years to come. So the small size is 13 by 9 inches, the medium size is 15 by 10 inches, and the large size is 17 by 11 inches. It also has a non-stick coating, so it's going to cut down on scrubbing time too. Another nice feature, it distributes heat evenly as well. Good Cook is such a trusted name in bakeware, and I've had it before and it's time to replace it with a new set. It's also dishwasher safe. However, for best results, hand wash is recommended. I'm so excited to try our new Good Cook cookie sheets, so let's make cookies. I'm really impressed with my new baking sheets. It came out perfectly. Did its job very well. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.